You don't check your credit score? Makes sense. Why would you want to know the number that decides whether you get approved for a house, a car, an apartment, or even a credit card? Surprises are fun, right? Like picking out the car you love. Then finding out your score is a 542. Surprise. Over 100 million Americans have a credit score under 650. So if that's you, you're not alone. But let's be clear, bad credit isn't the real problem. Ignoring it is. Most people wait until they need something. Then suddenly they care. I need a mortgage tomorrow. Maybe I should check my score. Or, you could be proactive instead of reactive. That's what we do at Kredit Koncepts. A-rated, 20 plus years in business, thousands of credit profiles improved. So if your score is under 650, why are you still waiting? Go to www.kreditkoncepts.com or call us today. Fix the problem before you need your credit, because nothing feels worse than hearing, "Sorry, you're not approved."